Hey everyone, it's Motormouth Monday with Megz, and I am sitting in a brand new Armada, and this is going to be the conversation of topic today is about inventory and factory orders so that you know as a consumer what to expect when you are coming into a dealership. So right now, as most of you know, we are dealing with inventory shortages. It all stemmed back to 2020 when COVID happened, and then we had all these microchip shortages. Long story short, not getting into that right now. But as we said, a lot of car dealers haven't had new car inventory on their lot for quite some time now. As you can see, we are starting to trickle in some new car inventory, which is amazing. But how does the process work? So the process works is we do get allocation weekly from Nissan. Could be one car, could be 5 cars for some time in the next 8 weeks. If you're coming in to order a car right now, and what I do is I submit that order to Nissan with $1,000 deposit. I must show Nissan that you are a valid person and we're not just ordering names under John Doe. So I submit your driver's license, the bill of sale, and the deposit to Nissan, and Nissan then picks up that order. Once that order is picked up, we can see that car anytime within 6 weeks to 6 months, depending on the color you have chosen, the trim level you've chosen as well. There's a lot that plays into factor. I actually don't even know an exact date when you're looking at these vehicles. But just so that you know, I want you to know that when you are ordering a vehicle, it is just a little bit of a time-consuming process, but it does get done. So don't worry. This is Motormouth Monday with Megz, and just here to educate you on our process.